Welcome back to Blue's 2-Minute Garden Tips. This is how I make my seed starting mix. I start with seed starter mix from the store, and this is one method I use. I'll show you two today. I moisten up the seed starter mix from the store. I use an organic brand, but it doesn't matter. You choose your method. Moisten it up with hot boiling water. All store-bought bags of soil have fungus gnat eggs in them. Don't worry about using the boiling water and killing off any of the natural biology. All seeds have enough nutrients to grow to their second set of leaves. As I'm mixing the boiling water with the seed starter mix, I mix in peat moss, and I keep moistening. Mix it all in, ladle it out into the places you're going to grow. In this instance, I have these 4 growing areas that are actually going to be my onion seeds when I start them. The second method I use, I call the bottom watering method. It's not my invention, but it is mixing the bagged seed starter mix with, again, a 50-50 of peat moss. Mix it all up, put it inside the trays that you're going to use for your seeds starting. In this case, the little cells I'm showing here that I'm filling are going to be for peppers and peppers and tomatoes. And you'll see that in a coming video. But fill all the pots, fill all the cells in. Tamp it down just a little bit, not too hard. Tamp it down. I put a little water on top, but the majority of the boiling water I add will go, actually, what I'll do is I'll put it into the bottom of the tray. Mix it all in. Once the water goes in, you'll see it comes down some, and so fill that back up. But again, like I said, pour the boiling water into the bottom of the tray, and that way the moisture will wick up into all of your seed starter and get it thoroughly moistened. Then on it goes onto my grow lights and heat lamp. Please remember to like and subscribe for more Blue's Garden Tips. Thank you very much.